Hey guys, welcome back to another episode of Sketchbook Sunday. I just want to start off by preemptively apologizing. If this video is late, I'm sorry. I'm actually having the weirdest internet problem I've ever heard of anyway. So my download is fine, it's good to go, but my upload doesn't work. I mean, I'm getting not even 1 megabyte upload, and I'm pretty sure it's the modem. They're sending a guy on Monday, and I am going to my parents' house this weekend. Well, later today, which is why I'm I mean, I know that I could have done more to the sketch to make it look cooler, but I really just want a chance at uploading this on time. So yeah, if it's late, I'm sorry, but I tried. And it'll be up at the latest Monday, so it's not gonna be that late. But yeah. This is just a quick little doodle that I did in Procreate. I started bringing my iPad to work again. I feel bad because, there's always something to do, but at the same time, there's a solid 2-hour gap every single day where nothing at all happens, and it's I count my blessings, alright, it's not so busy that I want to kill myself, but it's so dead that I just want to leave immediately, and it just helps my day not suck, alright? So yeah, I bring the iPad to work and I doodle away while doing other stuff. And yeah, it's cool because I was worried because Procreate had eaten my recordings before, and I was I was worried that it would eat this recording too, and then I wouldn't have a video at all, but everything turned out okay. I just wish that I could have it in real time because I'd like to speed it up in myself, you know what I mean? But you probably can, I just can't find the setting. But yeah, it's just a little doodle, and I brought it into Photoshop just to add some more scribbles to it, and yeah, nothing too special. I'm really sorry if this video is late, but I will do my best to get it up on time. So yeah, I hope you guys enjoyed this video as much as I enjoyed making it, and I'll see you guys Wednesday.